So, if you've ever walked into a modern meeting room or even a classroom, you know the feeling.
Oh, yeah. The frustration.
Exactly. There's just this mountain of black boxes, like 3 different remotes, and you can see cables everywhere. Today, we're diving into how to cut through all that.
And we're going to focus on one specific solution that really tries to solve this.
Yeah.
It's the Atlona AT-OME-CS31-SA-HDBT.
Quite a name.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
But the idea is that it tries to be the room's single collaboration brain. It's from their Omega series.
Okay, so our mission here is to figure out how this one box, and it's about, what, $2,500?
Roughly, yeah.
How this one box replaces a whole stack of gear. We're talking a switcher, an amplifier, a USB hub, all to make the UC, the Unified Communications Experience, just simpler for you.
Let's start with just basic connectivity. At its heart, it's a 3x1 AV switcher, so you get 2 standard HDMI inputs.
Pretty standard.
Right. But the third one, that's the key for larger spaces, is HDBaseT.
Okay, hold on. For anyone listening who doesn't live and breathe Pro AV, what exactly is HDBaseT, and why does it matter that it can go, like, 330 feet?
It's basically the magic trick for long distances. I mean, HDBaseT lets you run everything.
Everything.
Yeah, 4K video, control signals, your audio, Ethernet, even USB, all over a single standard network cable.
Ah, so instead of 5 separate cables snaking across a giant auditorium.
You just run one. It's a massive, massive logistical and cost saver.
That makes perfect sense. Now, you mentioned video quality. The specs here say 4K 60, 4.4.4. That sounds, super technical. Why should I care?
Because it means you're getting peak performance.
Yeah.
Visually, 4K 60 gives you that ultra-smooth motion.
Okay.
And 4.4.4 means zero color compression. So if you're sharing like a detailed spreadsheet or medical imaging, you get perfect clarity. And yeah, it's HDCP 2.2 compliant, which just means your Netflix or whatever won't get blocked by topic protection.
Got it. Okay, so moving beyond the video signal, the second major function here seems to be all about hybrid meetings, the USB integration.
Exactly. I mean, for Zoom, for Teams, whatever you're using, you need to connect the room's gear.
The camera, the mic?
Right. And this thing has a 4-port USB hub built right in for your camera, your speakerphone, or maybe an interactive display.
Okay, but here's where it gets really clever, I think. It solves that classic problem of, okay, who's using the good camera right now? You don't want to be unplugging and replugging cables when you switch from the room PC to your own laptop.
And you don't have to. The OME-CS31 handles all that routing. It lets you switch all those USB peripherals between a remote source, say a computer, over that HDBaseT cable.
Right.
And a local laptop you just plug into a USB-B port on the device.
So the camera just follows whoever is presenting seamlessly.
A true zero-friction experience. That's the goal.
And then the last piece, power and control. It's not just a switcher, it's also the brain, right? It handles the audio and automation itself.
It does. It has an integrated amplifier 2 by 25 watts or 1 by 50 watts. Plenty for most medium-sized rooms, plus a full audio mixer. But the real elegance for me is the automation.
The quality of life stuff, so it gets rid of that giant display remote that's always lost?
Pretty much. It has automatic display control. So when the system sees you've plugged in your laptop,
the display just turns on.
the power's on the display. Yep.
Yeah.
Using CEC or RS-232. And when you disconnect, it powers it off. You can even connect an occupancy sensor to it.
That's interesting.
Yeah, something like their AT-OME-CS900N. So the system knows when the room is empty and can shut everything down to save power.
So pulling this all together for you, the listener, the key takeaway here is just deep consolidation. This one box really does pull together your video, your audio, USB, and all the display control. And it comes with a 3-year Atlona warranty, which is nice.
And if we sort of zoom out and think about the big picture, it raises a really interesting question for me. Given that it can handle all of this long-distance signals, the unified peripherals, the complete room automation, how does a device like this change what a meeting room even is? It's not a collection of parts anymore, is it?
It's an ecosystem.
Exactly. It's a single, intelligent, integrated ecosystem that, practically runs itself.